Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how using Excel we can create forms. So I have downloaded a sample Excel sheet from internet, which has a lot of fields and data, which will help us to understand the whole process. Like this is Excel sheet which I downloaded from Microsoft website. Okay, it's a simple table. So let's save it and start the application. So as usual, we will log in the application, and before going to the designer, let's release the transaction because sometimes when we create a transaction it get attached on the default loading. So let's click add. We can say for Excel form forms, and I'll say for YouTube video something, and then I'm going to put this one into a sample menu. Then you save it. So okay, so let's do one thing. It's I need to save it in sample, not sample forms. So let's click sample forms. So basically it's already here. Okay, Excel forms, not this one, this one. So we can go back to table here. Now we have to understand Excel is a data sheet, it's not a database. So Excel does not have a primary key. So what we are going to do, we are going to add a primary key to have a better management, and then all the process of this, because in this process we are going to connect Excel file, then fetch the data, create the table, and then import the data. So all the process is going to be in auto mode, and then once it's done, import the data, and then we have to tell how the screen is going to design. So basically what the system is going to do, I have lot of system uh, patterns. So one of the pattern will be selected, and then I'm going to tell the system, like, when you generate a form, please put in one row, I need three fields. Okay, so three fields in one row I'm selecting here, and then you click connect. Once you click connect, you need to open the folder and connect that Excel file. Once you do, just see a step by step. System will give the message. Now what system has done, field import into settle table is complete. Then you can see the date is a reserved word, because we are taking information from Excel, and Excel is a data sheet, so you can put the column name anything, but the same column name cannot be used in database. So what I have created, I have a database table where I have saved already whatever available reserve words, like date is a reserve word. So what the system is doing, system is trying to find the reserve word and then renaming. So it's warning you like there are reserve words which system is renaming and creating a new field. Now you can see here, this is the SQL query, basically has been uh, to create the table. This query has been prepared by system. So once I click it saying table create, okay. Now transaction is being imported. Okay, if this error comes, it means we did not saved we did not save the here this one. There is some error happen here. So let's do one thing. Let's close it and redo again. So we should make sure we should not. So let's release this one. Okay, close it, go back again, click again, and we'll do the renaming later. Save it. Okay, it's better we should reload. Okay, so now the transaction is here. Let's go back to table, add primary key auto, and this one third connect financial. Let's see. I hope the error will not come. Okay, so it's doing the progress. Okay, everything is done. You can see all the process is been done by system. Now the data is already imported. All the fields are being imported, and accordingly, the data is already. If you try to move here, you can you can see the whole data mechanism is working. So what we need to do, this is we are in the design form now. So let's go back to here and change like Excel form sample. Okay, and let's go back here and sample and save it. So basically what we have done, it has to be appear here. Okay, so if it's not appearing, there's nothing to worry. You just log out and log in again. Okay, now we can go back Excel form sample. So you can see using Excel, we can create 100% dynamic forms without writing a single line code. So how it does, okay, basically what the system has done, if you want to go and see here in the system setup, you can see you can see here, these are all the fields being created, okay, and then system is taking care all the field data types and everything, and then we are creating some screen objects like edit and all the controls which we are looking. So basically if you don't have a programming language and you you are having this application, then being a non-technical person also, you can create your forms on the basis of your data philosophy, whatever you have. And this form can be available to all enterprise user, within the user base. Thank you.